Meantime, a new twist in the case of Baby Joe tonight. The defense attorney for Joseph Daniels pointing the finger at somebody other than his client. The allegations come as the summer trial date looms in this high-profile murder case involving 5-year-old Joe Clyde Daniels, who disappeared more than 3 years ago. News 2's Stephanie Langston was in court today and shares what we learned about new evidence and new witnesses.
Well, today, the defense attorney for Baby Joe's father, Joseph Daniels, pointing the finger at investigators, saying they didn't follow through in 2 separate cases. The first, a neighbor to the Daniels.
Right after he moves in, this child ends up missing.
Statements from the neighbor, Matthew Ledford, given to investigators some 2 years after the disappearance of Baby Joe.
They don't even talk to him for 2 years. They should have sought a search warrant right off the bat.
Investigators saying in the transcript they know a car left Ledford's driveway the night Baby Joe disappeared.
Law enforcement knows a vehicle left his driveway during the time period that the child went missing. He denies that, denies anybody else was there, and he tells them that he's afraid there might be evidence on his phone that would make him look bad. The proof will show that he refused to allow them to take his phone and ascertain the location.
Daniels' attorney, Jake Lockert, hinting that law enforcement didn't properly follow up on leads because they'd already honed in on his client as a suspect. The state arguing a much different story.
So there is no law enforcement bias. They followed up on the leads that they had, and they were voluntarily given phone records by Mr. Ledford.
The judge agreeing with the state and denying the motion.
So it's not a situation where he's requested to produce this phone and give it to the investigators and he refuses, as was represented in court, or at least that's the inference that was given. And therefore, I don't find that there's any bias on the part of law officers.
Now, despite the defense saying the neighbor has since been difficult to track down, the judge says he can be summoned and required to testify in the trial. Reporting from Dixon County, Stephanie Langston, News 2.
And meanwhile, we also heard about a potential second sighting of Baby Joe after he disappeared. Brand new details were revealed today, and Stephanie will bring that part of the story on News 2 at 6.